Hey golfers, do you know what the most difficult shot in golf is? It's the long bunker shot. But we can make that shot easy, and let's do it now. So with all shots in golf, we hit different clubs to different yardages. It's 7-iron, 8-iron, 9-iron to different yardages. Well, most people make the mistake of hitting their 60-degree wedge or their 58-degree wedge out of a long bunker shot. And you can see I've got another bunker in here in front of me, and most likely if I hit my 60-degree wedge, I'm going in that other bunker. So what I'm gonna do now is hit my 50-degree wedge and play it like a normal bunker shot, and it's going to bound forward and hopefully carry over that other bunker and get on the green. Let's give it a shot. Make a pretty big swing here, whole lot of speed. There we go, on the green. Follow us on Golf Tee Performance for more tips. Thanks.